Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallows with Agar Agar. Bloom 2 teaspoons of Agar Agar in 1/2 cup cold water, then simmer until fully dissolved. Heat sugar, water, and glucose to 240 degrees F. Slowly pour into the whipped egg white or aquafaba base, then whip until glossy and thick. Fold in flavor and dust with cornstarch, then cut after a short rest for perfect chew. Gather precise ingredients and the right tools before you start. Measure sugar, glucose, agar agar, and water exactly, and decide between egg white or aquafaba for the foam. Use a candy thermometer to monitor syrup temperature and a stand mixer to whip the base into glossy peaks. Keep an oiled pan and sifted dusting mix ready so you can finish and cut the marshmallows cleanly when the mixture sets. Bloom Agar Agar in cold water and simmer until completely dissolved, then combine it with the hot sugar syrup. Heat the syrup to 240 degrees F and pour it in slowly while your egg white or aquafaba is whipping. Continue whipping until the mixture is thick, glossy, and holds a peak. Spread into a dusted pan, let it set, then cut into squares and dust to prevent sticking for soft, chewy marshmallows.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.